Evan and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a really easy, really cute makeup trend that's been trending all over TikTok. Really popular, super cute, and it's the I'm cold makeup look. So basically this look is just like a matte finish makeup look with some really pretty pink or reddish cheeks, a little bit on your nose, lips, and just like a glittery, pretty, subtle eye. So it's very easy, anybody can do it, and let's get right into it. So I am prepped and primed and ready to go, but I wanted to share this SPF that I use. Really like this because it is more of a matte finish, and this look does have more of a matte finish. So shout out to all the oily girlies and guys out there because this is definitely more of a matte finished look, a powdery, soft finish, and this is my favorite SPF for that. It does have a bit of a white cast, but I do feel like if you put it on and give it some time, it dissipates a little bit, so it's not too bad, but definitely a good matte finish. Very nice for sensitive skin also. So for foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Kosas Revealer foundation. I really love this foundation and I have been using it ever since I got it. I did a review on it I think a while back on my channel and I do really like it, but I have to say my only complaint is the smell. It does smell a little, I don't even know the word, it's not chalky, but Play-Doh-y maybe? I'm not sure. It does have a kind of a strong smell at first, but it definitely gets better as you work it in your skin. It's not quite as bad, but I love this because it gives a really pretty soft finish and it covers really well and is great for sensitive skin. For concealer, I am going to use the Dior Backstage concealer. I really like this concealer because it comes with a little brush and is really lightweight and doesn't get too creasy. So I'm basically gonna just put that everywhere that I need it and blend it in. So I'm not gonna contour too crazy for this look. I am gonna use my art class just a little bit on my nose and eyelids, but you definitely can contour more if you want to. It's kind of just up to you and what you prefer, but on me, I actually don't like that much of a contour. I think it looks really funny on me, and for this look, I want it to look like more just cheeks and kind of baby face, so I'm gonna kind of skip the contour. Just a little bit on my nose and my lids. I am gonna set my face overall with some Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. I don't want a ton of coverage with this, but I definitely want to set my foundation a little bit more. I am gonna go in with a little bit of powder just to set a little bit more, and this is the Rare Beauty. This has a little bit of a pinky finish, which I really like and think is really cute for this look. So I'm gonna do my nose and under eye a little bit more before I do my eyeshadow. Let's do these brows before we do eyeshadow. This is the Kosas Air Brow. I really love this because for me and my brows, I can just get away with doing literally one step and makes them stay in place all day. Okay, now that that's finished, let's go ahead and do our eyeshadow. I am gonna use this Busted palette from Peripera Shall We Cherry. I've been loving this palette. It actually came broken. I was really upset, but I still can use it and get the rest of the shadows out of it. So today what I'm gonna do is basically use this taupe and this pink, and I'm just really gonna mix the two together and put them all over my lid. Next, I am gonna take this Moon Dust by Urban Decay. This has been really popular also all over TikTok. This is the Space Cowboy. As you can see, I've gotten a lot of uses out of this. It's definitely my favorite. I'm just gonna take my finger and rub it and get some of that color on and literally dab it all over my top lid. I feel like this is just a really pretty wintry shimmer, and I feel like it adds to the whole cold look. I'm gonna put a little bit underneath as well, just a tiny bit. Next, I'm gonna take my good old trusty Dior Backstage highlighter, get this white. This is my favorite, and honestly, I get so many compliments when I do this. I'm just quite literally gonna put it all over the inner corner of my eye, and like like really go for it, like really put a lot on. The final touch on our shadow look is going to be some glitter. This is the 3CE. So I got this on YesStyle. I mean, there's a lot of different brands that have the little glitter wand, but I like this the best, and I'm basically just gonna put it right under my lid. I've also seen a lot of girls use this glitter in the inner corner also, which you can do, or just right kind of on top of your lids if you want like a little bit more glitter, but I'm gonna leave it just like this. Okay, liner. I've been struggling with finding a good liquid liner that I can really do a tiny sharp wing with, but I've so far been loving this one by MAC because the tip is just really thin, so I feel like it's really easy to apply and get a tip. So let's put it on. Next, we're gonna curl our lashes and do some mascara. I've still been using the Tower 28 mascara in Jet, and this is definitely my favorite. I think it's my #1 mascara. I really love it, mostly because of the brush. It is just really little and just really thin, and it just gets my small lashes really coated, so it's been great. Okay, Doe Lashes was really awesome and sent me some lashes, so thank you, Doe Lashes. I'm super excited to try these. I actually use Doe Lashes often. They sent me these, and they are the Neo Lash Dream Duo. This is actually magnetic, which I don't know, I'm kind of scared to try. I don't know why, but as you can see, like, okay, I'm struggling. As you can see, I'm struggling. But basically, like, they just like snap on, and this is like the liner that comes with it, I guess. That is like the magneticness of it. Wow. So you put that on your lid and then you put the lashes on. I'm not gonna try that today because I feel like I need to practice first, but thank you, Doe Lashes. They also sent me this like starter pack. There's so many lashes in this, you guys, like 5 styles, literally. What the heck, like I'm so excited. I love this packaging with the poppies. I think they're poppies. Okay, they look like poppies to me because I'm from California, but these little orange flowers, and this is the Nina Lu starter pack. There she is. How cute. Love the packaging by Doe always. So I always feel bad like ripping stuff. Like, there we go. Okay, it comes in this cute tin box. Oh. This is like a little mirror that you can peel off and use to put your lashes on. How cute. Some little stickers that are cute. And then you guys, like, so many lashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And also a little tool to put them on, and glue. They also sent me more glue. This is just a clear lash glue, so I think I'll use that. But let's check out the lashes. Oh, this is so exciting. So this is Fairy Dust. These are really pretty. I really just want a really subtle, soft lash, so let's just try to find one that's not too much. This is Cloud 9. This one's really pretty. I think this might work. It's really, really low key. Let's put that aside because I think that might be the one. This is a little more glam. It's called Siren Call. And lastly, that one. So again, thank you, Doe Lashes, for all these lashes. It's so awesome and so sweet. Let's go ahead and put on really, really low key for this look. This is really, really low key, and I actually cut this in half, which is what I do with almost every lash that I wear because my eyelids are just so small that I can't really wear a full lash. I'll have to cut it a lot. So what I find is if I just actually cut the lash in half, I can just use them on the tips of my eyelids and just create a half lash instead. This probably is one of my favorite lashes that that I've used from Doe Lash, the really low key, just because it's really soft and subtle. So I feel like you can cut it in half and use it during the day and it's not too much, or you can wear a full lash maybe at night for a little bit more. So let's get into the fun part of this look, which is basically the blush. So what we're gonna do first, or what I want to do first on me, is just to give a good base with blush. So I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury, and this is the Pinkgasm. I am just literally gonna put it all over like that sunburnt look and blend that out. I like to put on a cream first because I feel like it gives it a good base when you put a powder over it, and it kind of just has a little bit of a glow and shine to it, which is really pretty and soft. Okay, so for this look, I've seen a lot of people use a really bright pink, a really soft pink, or a really red. I think it just depends on your skin tone color and what works for you and what looks good on you, or just what you like. So any of those, but I'm gonna use the Dior. This is the pink from Dior, and this has been really popular for this look. I've seen this pink used a lot, and this is definitely my favorite pink. So what we're gonna do is just go ham and put it all over our cheeks, put it on the tip of our nose this time, and just give a really pretty, soft, snow-kissed look. So again, you can personalize this look for yourself. You can do a lot, you can do a little bit, it's kind of whatever you like, but I definitely think the tip of the nose is what makes it look really snowy and cold. Okay, so after that, obviously, let's give a little bit of highlight. This is the Benefit Cookie highlight, which is really pretty and soft. I really like it. And use your finger or use a brush. I'm gonna use a brush for this and just get the tip of my nose and nose bridge. And I'm really gonna get my upper lip a lot too. I'm actually gonna take it a step further than that and use this Rosé Rave. I absolutely love this. It's a really pretty, just like rosy glitter. I'm gonna put that all over the tip of my nose and go in on my cheeks a little bit more too. And then next, we're gonna go in with lips. So again, I've seen like a really pretty soft pink color. I've seen a really red color, which looks a little bit more like you're in the snow to me, like red lips, like you're kind of cold. But I'm gonna line with this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Since my lips are on the smaller side anyways, I just need to line them to get them a little more full. And then I'm actually gonna take the blush that we used and I'm gonna put a little tiny bit on my top lip. And just kind of blur out my liner. I want more of a blur effect with my liner instead of so strong. So I'm gonna really go in this blush and blur it out a little bit more. So I'm debating if I want to put a little bit of this Benefit tint in the middle just to give it a little more like bitten lip look. I think if you have full lips, you definitely should do this. Smaller lips, I don't know, but I'm just gonna go for it and let's see. Just kind of in the middle again, so it kind of looks like we've been in the snow and we're freezing. In the snow in California. No? Actually, we do have snow in California. So literally, yeah. And then we're gonna go in with a gloss. This M Cosmetics that I got actually for free when I purchased something else. This is the Mini Quartz, really clear gloss. This smells delicious. To finish off the look, obviously we need some setting spray. I don't have mine handy, but I use the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. So let's spray this and then just finish hair and finish this look. So this is it, the final look for the I'm Cold makeup look that's been trending. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please give me a like and comment down below if so, and I'll see you guys next time.